Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. Rumi. Playing golf is always an entertaining and revitalizing way to spend time with friends. Recently, I had the pleasure of playing with my hometown buddies, Dr. Body from Texas and Dr. Masood from Illinois, at the beautiful Glen Abbey Golf Club in Oakville, Ontario, Canada. It was a perfect day to hit the green with the sunshine and a light breeze. The course itself was stunning, with its lush and vibrant green and challenging holes that required precision and patience. We played a round of 9 holes with playful banter and friendly jabs thrown around. Our game was competitive and engaging, making every victory and loss that much sweeter. As we had traveled from different cities to meet up at the course, our reunion was all the more special. We spent the day reminiscing and catching up on one another's lives, filling in the gaps since the last time we gathered together. As we progressed through the course, we realized how much we missed this game. Each swing of the club was a unique effort to get closer to the final goal, sinking the ball into the hole. However, the game of golf is not just about hitting the ball but the company you keep, and playing with friends adds more fun and enjoyment to it. Our day wrapped up with a delicious meal at the on-site restaurant, discussing our game, exchanging golf stories and sharing a lot of laughs too. It was a day well spent, with memories that will last a lifetime. In conclusion, playing golf with your hometown buddies at an exquisite course like Glen Abbey is an incredible experience. It combines both sport and companionship, making it the perfect way to spend time together. If you are looking for a unique way to build lifetime bonds with friends in a beautiful natural setting, go ahead and plan the next golf session with your buddies.